Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Are you looking for a great way to stay active indoors?
This Stair Stepper by Sportsroyals is a great option to stay active indoors if you are limited on space. It takes up a very small footprint. I appreciate that the pedals are wide and also have a great grip. So it's a nice anti-slip feature, which is great for safety purposes. And this machine is just so simple, but you're able to accomplish so much. The handles have a good grip as well, and it has a small little screen which helps you keep track of calories you've burned and your workout length and things like that. So this is a great option if you are looking to stay active. You are able to control how fast you are moving. It mimics walking. You can really press those pedals all the way down to the floor, or you can take quicker steps. It really works your calf muscles. My mom loves to use this. It helps her to stay active even though she's not able to do as much as she used to. I think this is an awesome tool and she's really happy with it.
The stair stepper is an awesome option to help you stay active, but that's just my point of view.